Today I want to quickly explain what's the proper way to research the product. If you tried lots of dropshipping stores and it didn't work out, after this video you will know the exact reason, and it's not really complicated. You're gonna come on Facebook ad library. You can choose United States and all ads here. There are two options here. If you know what problem you're solving, for example, I don't know, plantar fasciitis, migraine, like that would be like endless amounts of problem. Then you type your problem here. Or if you don't know what you're searching for, just type shop now. Basically gonna give you all the ad sets that are running with that are using the keyword shop now. What you're gonna do now is come in the filters, come here, and select the date like 1 month before it. So basically it's gonna show you all the ads that has been running at least for 1 month, and that means all of those ads are winners and they're profitable, right? So okay, so we are not interested in those kind of products. We are looking for more of the products that you will be able to sell. Okay, for example, this product I've seen like a lot of people selling it on dropshipping. This ad has been running for 100 days. Yeah, like search the product this way. Don't search on AliExpress. Searching on AliExpress basically is gonna give you like really bad products. One more product. This ad has been running since May 18. That's like a couple of months, right? So when you click shop now, you go here, you see this listicle. Basically, what you can do is like see what's working. For example, this listicle, and try to make something similar, even for the same product if you want. Like, so this is like stock for construction. Okay, I mean it's working. People are buying it. That's all that matters. Okay, for the second option, for example, you already know the problem you want to be solving or the niche you want to be going. For example, for the plantar fasciitis. And if you go to Reddit, plantar fasciitis, you see this subreddit, and you see here 55k weekly visitors. It's usually less in the summer, especially in the August. But yeah, keep in mind if it's like between 40 to 150k, it's real good problem to be solving it. For example, another problem you could be searching for is migraine. They have like 200k weekly visitors, and you could be like coming up with so many products about migraine. And okay, so for example, we know the problem, this plantar fasciitis, and we search the like problem itself here. And again, we set the filter so it's like all of the ads we see are like at least 1 month old. All of those ads, for example,
If
this
you don't
one,
eliminate your plantar fasciitis in 30 days with the Vibit roll, you get your money back. We started Vibit because
we've been running since October 25, 2025. You can take really huge inspiration from them, like copy it fully if you want. Like go here, check out how their page looks like, check out their product, understand why it works, like how they have their photos, like all this information here, benefits. I'm pretty sure you can even like find a product that's really similar to this, just to kickstart. Like copy their page fully. I don't know if you want to, like if you, even though it's a bit unethical. Like one more way to validate the product, any product, is go to an Amazon and, for example, we found this red light mask, right? Okay, we can see here in the info, 2k bought past month, 4k bought past month. Yeah, I mean that's a good number. That's indication that the people are actually coming and buying it, right? Whatever you do, you actually need to stand out. Do your own photos, do your own. Yeah, we also found this construction soft, right? 10k bottle past month, 2k. You know it's gonna work because it's being sold, and you just enter the market and you need to introduce yourself as something more unique, something more maybe cheaper, maybe you need to differentiate yourself somehow. And if you want to be like searching for the problems instead, like not the products, and what you want to do is like come here on the Reddit and I don't know, type foot pain, for example, right? You can see all the communities here. First one is plantar fasciitis. I mean, yeah, makes sense. It's 55k weekly visitors, but if you scroll down, chronic pain, 128k, and it's gonna give you like, for example, this one, sciatica, right? You come here, 57k. If you search this on here, let's see, apply our filter, 10k, nice. And you can see all kind of products they're selling to solve this problem here. So that's it. All you need is these three: the Amazon to validate the product, ready to search for problems and validate the problem, and add the library to just to see all the ads, all the products, ads about the problems you find on Reddit or like whatever. Yeah. And also, don't forget to use AI. I would recommend using the Cupflow. It's like the AI I created. But even if you use a Higgsfield or any other any other platform, it's also gonna work. But the idea behind the Cupflow is like I created it for myself to make the ads and photos really easily because of the things I was missing on Higgsfield and like other platforms. So yeah, whatever. Like use AI, use this knowledge, use Meta library. Bye bye.